is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some pretty fun footage for you today. I'm actually going to be trying out a new product. I had an oil leak, as you can see. It destroyed my bonnet cover. It was just coming from the front pan seal. I think overall my pan was bent. Probably my fault, user error, it is what it is. But yeah, as you can see, the oil leak kind of soaked the bonnet and then it started to drop and whatnot. So my engine bay looks terrible right now. It is what it is. But with that being said, I already got through all the work, okay? So I basically took everything off, transmission, starter, drive shaft, dropped everything, dropped the subframe. As I dropped the subframe, got the old pan off, put the new pan up, bolted everything up with new RTV, new seals from Z-Bruhz. Since I'm already in there, I'm doing another rear main, okay? It's like in my head that if you're in there, you just put a new rear main in so you don't have to worry about it. So brand new OEM rear main seal from Z-Bruhz. But the reason of this video for you guys is this gorgeous puppy. Check this out. This thing is sick, okay? Jack Townsend, I ran into him on Facebook. He's on the Facebook forums like Z32 enthusiast, 300ZX enthusiast, all that jazz. And he's just started posting. He's like, hey, I'm making some punches for the 300ZX. And I was like, you know what? It's actually a pretty interesting thing. Like I've always done it old school. You know what I mean? Like you grab your little socket and you just edge around the seal so it sits nice and flush and whatnot. He's actually got these to where it's perfect fit. It's perfect fitment. Look at this. Perfect fitment. So the idea behind it is you get the seal started. Once you get the seal started, all you do, put this on here, rubber mallet, and it pushes it in. Crazy. The things that people come up with, $1 million ideas. So Jack, man, you're the man, dude. This is super sick. I can't wait to try this out. So we're going to get into it right now. But I did want to show you guys kind of, it's going to be backwards, but because I'm using my front facing camera, but it's got the Z emblem, 300ZX on it. And he actually says rear main seal on it too. So you know what punch it's going to be. He does make cam steel punches too, which are super cool. He thought of everything, all the stops. It's very well made, guys. Like there's no way I'm breaking this. No way. Maybe if I take like a metal hammer and I destroy it, but it's pretty solid. So all this is solid in here. This isn't hollow. The only part that's hollow is in here. Everything else is solid. With that being said, Jack, let's try this out, bud.
All right, guys, so we're under the car. Basically all I'm doing is grabbing my seal here. Okay, got my seal. Gonna lube up the edge real quick. Obviously you don't want to put it in dry. Girls don't like that, so especially fair ladies, if you know what I mean. I already prepped the surface on the inside race of this, so you should be okay. So what we're gonna do is kind of get this started. All right, so I pretty much got it started. Okay, now that I'm all oily, we're gonna grab our little punch here. We're gonna line it up. Lines up nice and easily. Rubber mallet. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Bang. Money. That easy. Instead of just going around, it usually takes me about 5 minutes. What was that? 30 seconds? Wild. You definitely know what you're doing, Jack. Thank you so much, man. This is crazy. This worked out mint. Nice and flush all the way around. Super easy. I'm stoked. This is nice. Perfect. Definitely recommend. Definitely recommend.
So there it is, guys. As you can see, it took 30 seconds. 30 seconds to use this instead of using a 3/8 extension, going around and around and around for probably about 5 minutes. Saves time, saves effort. Get in and get out, get the job done. So Jack, super, super good product. Again, it was that fast, guys. That's all this video was about for you guys today, is to show off this product. So if you guys do want this product, okay, he is currently working on making a website and everything. So if you hit him up on the gram, probably be your best bet. If going on Facebook and off the post on Facebook, he said it's kind of hectic for him right now. So just hit him up on the gram, throw him a little, hey, I'm interested. He is making them. The first batch already went out. Second batch might be coming out soon. But so his Instagram is _hazywaves_. And the business account that he has is Jack Flash Auto Repair. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put them up right here. So if you guys are interested, man, support the dude, man. He's making good products, and who knows, maybe he'll make something else. So, but again, I want to thank you guys for coming out, being a part of the projects, and just supporting the channel and stuff. I have such a blast doing this, and trying out new products and stuff for you guys too. It's just fun, man. I'm enjoying it. We're back. And if you guys, any companies out there, up and coming, if you guys have any products that you want me to try out, you know what I mean? So I can get it on here, get it on this platform, share it with the community and whatnot. We just broke 9,000 subscribers, so I'm just trying to help people out. You know what I mean? Small businesses, big businesses, whatever. You know what I mean? We out here. Z32 gang. I'm always trying to help you guys out. So I will try any and every type of product that you guys have, okay? With that being said, though, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button right here. And if you're looking for any additional content, click one of the links here. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.